DeepSeek, a little-known Chinese startup, has sent shockwaves through the global tech sector with the release of an artificial intelligence AI model whose capabilities rival the creations of Google and OpenAI. DeepSeek R1's creator says its model was developed using less advanced and fewer computer chips than those employed by tech giants in the United States. In a research paper released last week, the model's development team said they had spent less than $6 million on computing power to train the model, a fraction of the multi-billion-dollar AI budgets enjoyed by U.S. tech giants such as OpenAI, Alphabet, and Meta. Mark Andreessen, one of the most influential tech venture capitalists in Silicon Valley, hailed the release of the model as AI's Sputnik moment. The sudden emergence of a small Chinese startup capable of rivaling Silicon Valley's top players has challenged assumptions about U.S. dominance in AI and raised fears that the sky-high market valuations of companies such as NVIDIA, Alphabet, and Meta may be detached from reality. On Monday, NVIDIA, which holds a near monopoly on producing the semiconductors that power generative AI, lost nearly $600 billion in market capitalization after its shares plummeted 17%. U.S. President Donald Trump, who last week announced the launch of a $500 billion AI initiative led by OpenAI, Texas-based Oracle, and Japan's SoftBank, said DeepSeek should serve as a wake-up call on the need for U.S. industry to be laser-focused on competing to win. What is DeepSeek? DeepSeek, which is based in Hangzhou, was founded in late 2023 by Liang Wenfeng, a serial entrepreneur who also runs the hedge fund High Flyer. Though little known outside China, Liang has an extensive history of combining burgeoning technologies and investing. In 2013, he co-founded Hangzhou Jacobi Investment Management, an investment firm that employed AI to implement trading strategies, along with a co-alumnus of Zhejiang University, according to Chinese media outlet Sina Finance. Liang went on to establish two more firms focused on computer-directed investment, Hangzhou Huanfang Technology Co. and Ningbo Huanfang Quantitative Investment Management Partnership, in 2015 and 2016, respectively. Reproduction alone is relatively cheap. Based on public papers and open-source code, minimal times of training or even fine-tuning suffices. Research, however, involves extensive experiments, comparisons, and higher computational and talent demands, Liang said, according to a translation of his comments published by the China Talk Substack. Liang said his interest in AI was driven primarily by curiosity. From a broader perspective, we want to validate certain hypotheses. For example, we hypothesize that the essence of human intelligence might be language, and human thought could essentially be a linguistic process. He said, according to the transcript, what you think of as thinking might actually be your brain weaving language. This suggests that human-like AGI could potentially emerge from large language models, he added, referring to artificial general intelligence, AGI, a type of AI that attempts to imitate the cognitive abilities of the human mind. DeepSeek did not immediately respond to a request for comment. On Monday, Gregory Zuckerman, a journalist with The Wall Street Journal, said he had learned that Liang, who he had not heard of previously, wrote the preface for the Chinese edition of a book he authored about the late American hedge fund manager Jim Simons. Simons left a deep impact, apparently, Zuckerman wrote in a column, describing how Liang praised his book as a tome that unravels many previously unresolved mysteries and brings us a wealth of experiences to learn from. Even my mother didn't get that much out of the book.